Kent County enters the weekend with 250 confirmed coronavirus cases and 13 confirmed deaths. Statewide, there are now 22,783 confirmed cases and 1,281 deaths. Shared in this Friday, April 10th update are continued coronavirus responses relevant to local life from the City of Grand Rapids, Governor Gretchen Whitmer's office, the Internal Revenue Service, the U.S. Department of the Treasury, Grand Rapids Public Museum, the Michigan History Center, and the Fulton Street Farmers Market. City Manager Mark Washington announced today the extension of previously announced City of Grand Rapids service adjustments through Thursday, April 30th. The extension aligns with Governor Gretchen Whitmer's Thursday, April 9th extension of the statewide Stay Home, Stay Safe order through April 30th. The service adjustments remaining in effect include the closure of city buildings to walk-in traffic and online-only city commission meetings. More information about the continued service adjustments is available on the City of Grand Rapids website. The City of Grand Rapids also announced that its Neighborhood Match Fund will now award contracts to local residents who are organizing projects that focus on coronavirus resiliency and recovery in non-contact ways. The NMF regularly awards contracts to residents organizing projects and opportunities that bring neighbors together to learn and build relationships. While these themes remain, the focus is now on how they fit within the context of the coronavirus pandemic. The City of Grand Rapids is accepting project submissions through Sunday, April 19th, for projects set to take place in Grand Rapids between Friday, May 1st and Monday, August 10th. More information about the NMF awards and submission process is also available on the City of Grand Rapids website. The Office of Governor Gretchen Whitmer announced today that self-employed workers, gig workers, 1099 independent contractors, and low-wage workers impacted by the coronavirus pandemic can apply for federal pandemic unemployment assistance beginning Monday, April 13th at 8 a.m. Under the Federal CARES Act, workers on state unemployment have already begun receiving the set $600 federal weekly payment in addition to their state benefit amount. Newly eligible workers who have yet to apply for unemployment benefits are encouraged by Whitmer's office to do so online, and this is the fastest and easiest way to access those benefits. More information about the PUA application process is available on Whitmer's office's website. The Internal Revenue Service and the U.S. Department of the Treasury launched a new online tool today to help residents who normally don't file taxes quickly to register for economic impact payments. The payments come in response to the economic fallout continuing nationwide as physical distancing measures to combat the spread of the coronavirus persist. The non-filer tool provides a free and easy option designed for residents who don't have a return filing obligation, including those with too little income to file. More information about the tool for non-filers is available on the IRS's website. The Grand Rapids Public Museum announced today that it's actively collecting digital submissions for its community documentation project about the coronavirus pandemic's impact on the local area. Digital submissions can include stories, videos, or photos from local residents related to the pandemic's impact, which will help to ensure the local pandemic experience is documented for future generations. When it's safe to do so, the GRPM will begin collecting objects related to the pandemic as well. Objects may include products and signage made by local businesses, homeschool lesson plans, and grocery lists. To ensure all healthcare workers have the resources needed during this time, the GRPM will not accept medical items such as N95 masks until the pandemic is over. More information about the Community Documentation Project and its submission process is available on the GRPM's website. Also documenting life during the coronavirus pandemic is the Michigan History Center, who announced today that its new collecting initiative that gives Michiganders the opportunity to share stories reflecting their experiences during this time. The first phase of the three-phase collecting initiative is now active. This phase sees the MHC sharing an online platform for Michiganders to share and donate photos, videos, and audio files that document their daily lives during the pandemic, all of which will be considered for preservation in the Archive of Michigan's collections. More information about the collecting initiative is available on MHC's website. The Fulton Street Farmers Market will remain open on Saturdays throughout April 10th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and announced in its weekly in-season report. Farms and food businesses present at the market will continue offering locally grown produce such as greens and root vegetables, meats, cheeses, breads, juices, hard cider, and more. Quote, "Due to the circumstances surrounding COVID-19, we are all taking the necessary precautions to ensure the safety and health of all," the Fulton Street Farmers Market stated in its report. 6 feet distances have been marked off along the market stalls to direct people where to stand while making their purchases. All of our vendors will be located outside and spaced out to alleviate crowd buildup and allow for proper social distancing. Vendors participating in our Saturday markets are essential food businesses only. The Fulton Street Farmers Market is asking customers to allow vendors to assist them when making their purchases, avoid touching and handling any products, and be patient while making purchases. In order to ensure safety precautions are being taken, transactions may be longer than expected. More information about the Fulton Street Farmers Market coronavirus mitigation efforts during this time is available on its website. The Rapidian will continue to report on all major local developments related to the spread of COVID-19 and the community's prevention and response methods. Local residents are encouraged at this time to share their own stories and perspectives related to the COVID-19 situation on the Rapidian's platform. You can find links to the sites mentioned in the description below. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourself.